This is the story of the magical forest, a story that belongs to the unity of the alphabets who live in the forest. Come, let's see the story.
In the heart of a magical forest, the alphabet lived in peace. But one day, a strange, shimmering light appeared, and it sent a curious message. The animals of the alphabet felt a pull, a strange tug towards the heart of the forest.
It was the source of the shimmering light.
The letters came together, and their unity made the forest.
And the light within it shine brighter than ever before. For together, they formed the alphabet.
R, S, T, U, 5, W, I, X, Y, Z. Yeah!
The message of the story is, we should stay united. Hope you learn from the story.